With a success rate of 89 to 90%, the OPRA exam is one of the best pathways for pharmacists who wants to begin their practice overseas. Today we will tell you about this exam, which is your golden ticket to fulfilling and rewarding pharmacy career in Australia. Hello everyone, I am Sunidhi Shahi and welcome back to Academically. Australia has quickly become a hot destination for global pharmacists, and with pharmacy now added to Australia's skilled occupation list, the OPRA exam is your getaway to a new life in a rewarding profession. Let us now jump into understanding what is the OPRA exam and how you can crack it. In simple words, the OPRA exam is a single paper that you can take from your home country to register yourself and work in Australia. It has replaced the CAPS exam, which previously was the licensure exam for international pharmacists who wants to practice in Australia. The OPRA exam is conducted globally by the Australian Pharmacy Council. It is a part of the registration process taken by the APC to offer registration to qualified overseas trained pharmacists like you. Let's talk about exam format. The OPRA is a computer-based test that has 120 multiple choice questions. You need to answer all the questions in 2.5 hours. Now, an important thing to note is that the test is assessed using RASC methodology and there are no clear passing marks or a concept of negative marking. Now, let me tell you about the OPRA exam structure and syllabus in details. The table on the screen talks about the core syllabus areas covered in the OPRA exam along with their distribution and the topics covered. Take a screenshot of this table to understand the OPRA exam syllabus and structure. Now, let's see who is eligible for the OPRA exam. The OPRA exam eligibility is very basic and anyone with a pharmacy bachelor's degree completed from a recognized university can take the OPRA exam. The best part, no prior work experience is needed. All you need is your B.Pharm degree or relevant degree and transcript along with other mandatory documents. Coming to the OPRA registration process, which is streamlined process consisting of 4 easy steps. The registration journey involves Step 1, Initial Skill Assessment. Step 2, Take the OPRA exam. Step 3, English Proficiency Test, either IELTS, PTE or OET. Step 4, AFRA registration plus job plus visa process. Let's talk numbers. Here is what you will spend throughout the OPRA exam process. Eligibility check would cost you AUD 810, skill assessment outcome AUD 300, updated skill assessment if needed AUD 610, and OPRA exam fees would be 2190 AUD. This is a very small investment compared to what you can earn when you become a registered pharmacist in Australia by cracking the OPRA exam. So this covers all the basics about the OPRA exam. If you want more details or need help in completing the OPRA process, visit the link in the description to get in touch with our experts at Academically today. At Academically, we offer the best OPRA exam preparation course and we can help you crack it in your first attempt without leaving your full-time job. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share it with your fellow pharmacy friends. Still have questions or doubts? Drop them in the comments below. We are here to help you succeed. Thank you for watching this video. We hope all your questions have been answered. Good luck for your OPRA preparation. This is Sunidhi Shahi signing off.